Hey, it's Amber with Amber Marie & Company. We're going to use a beautiful ribbon to make this bow, and I'm going to show you how you can use less ribbon but still get a big impact. This is when you have really expensive ribbon, when you're wanting to use that ribbon to make a big beautiful bow, but you need it to go a little bit further. So I'm going to start with my base ribbon here, which is that blue velvet. I've just made 2 loops here. I'm making sure that they're even, and then I'm going to trim that ribbon up real fast. Then I'm going to select my next really pretty ribbon. It's that gold with that beautiful rhinestone edging. I love it, but I can't use very much, so I'm just going to pinch in the middle and make 1 loop with a little bit of a tail there hanging down. You have to try to keep them a little bit even there, cut around the rhinestones, which is also really important. Then I'm going to take the red trim ribbon and I'm going to make 2 loops with it. So I'm pinching it right there in the middle. I'm holding it all together between my pointer finger and my thumb. And I'm just making 2 loops there with that pretty red ribbon. Look how gorgeous that is. I love it. And then I am holding it all together. I'm going to take a floral wire and put it to the back. Zip tie, of course, really tight. Trim that zip tie off, and there we have a beautiful ribbon bow. And this just helps you just stretch that ribbon just a little bit further by using a little bit less of the really expensive ribbon, but still making a big impact with your bow. Just look how beautiful that is. You can curl the tails if you wanted to, because it's really nicely wired ribbon. If you're wanting to do something like that, this looks beautiful on trees or on a wreath. Just showing you some close-ups there of that really nice, gorgeous ribbon. And I just put it on a wreath there for you to be able to just look, get a close-up version here in slow motion of what this looks like so you can create this look at home. All of these products are available at ambermarieandco.com, and we would appreciate if you follow us on social media, and also save these videos. Pass them along and share them with your friends that you might know who love ribbon just as much as we do. Thanks for watching.